Welcome. Today I'll be teaching you how to do typing work as you speak. So it is a very easy way, and without downloading any app you can do this work. You can type in both English, Hindi or many other languages. So without wasting time, directly I'll start the procedure. So first of all, you will open your Chrome browser or any browser what you use, and then here you will type dictation IO, as you could see here, and then /speech. This you have to type in your browser. So I am using Google Chrome, you can use any browser. Afterwards I'll click upon this option. I'll click. It will take little while and it opens like this. Now here, suppose I want to type in English. On the top you could see here the options, some lines are there. You have to click here. You could see different languages. By default English India has been set, so I'll use this language, but you could see here plenty of languages are there. So I'll come back because English India has been set, and then here the start option is there, start. So I'll click on start, and then you have to speak. What I suggest you that you can use your earphone. So I'll click on start. Shyam is a very good boy. Full stop. He is good in studies. Full stop. He also dances very well. Full stop. So I'll stop it here. So you could see as I'm speaking, mobile is doing all the work for me. Although you can use this method in both mobile or in your PC. So now I'll tell you to change the language, how we can change the language. Suppose I want to type in Hindi. So firstly I want to clear this. So for clearing, you could see at the bottom clear option is there. So I'll clear it. So it's ready now. Now for typing in Hindi, again I have to come here where the option is there for changing the languages. I'll click it and I have to choose Hindi. So I'll drag it down. Somewhere you will find here Hindi. Yes, you could see here Hindi, Marathi, Nepali. So I'll type here Hindi. So those who want to type in Hindi, you know it's too difficult. So I'll start from here. I'll click on start. श्याम एक बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. पूर्ण विराम. पूर्ण विराम. वो पढ़ाई में भी बहुत अच्छा है. पूर्ण विराम. उसकी एक छोटी बहन है. पूर्ण विराम. So you could see that I have used both Hindi and English to type, and mobile is working very fine for me. Although I told you that you can prefer to use earphone, that will be quite helpful for you. So afterwards you can copy it. At the bottom you could see here copy option. So from here you can copy once you have typed. Yes, in between if you want to do any editing, you can do any editing. You can do the editing here, you can click it here. If anything is wrong, you want to do the changes, you can do the changes from here. And for that, suppose I am already having Hindi installed on my mobile, so you can use it, or you can use Google Indic keyboard that is available. This one, this is available on Play Store, so you can use this. So I'll just use this. So if I want to change anything, now this is my Google Indic keyboard. So here also if I want to do any changes, I can do it. Suppose I'll tell you how to type here. Hello. Suppose see, it's typing whatever I want to type here. Sham. So any words which are not typed correctly, so for that you can use this typing feature. So I hope this is clear to you. Now I'll copy this whole text. So copy option is there, you could see here copy option. So I'll click on copy, and wherever you want to take this text, so you can just open. Suppose I want to paste it in my notes, so I can paste it, and you could see it's been pasted. So see, it's very easy. So whenever you want to type your lengthy text on your MS Word, or for your WhatsApp, or it can be for anything, you can use this method. And in this method, we are not downloading any app. Without downloading any app, you can use this method. Only condition is that internet should be available. So I am stopping my tutorial here only. I hope this will be quite beneficial for you.